so far, all the noise doesn't seem to bother them.
No, that's impressive. One year they had Shrek Fest here.
Down.
What is that? People would just dress up in Shrek costumes, and then there was a contest, and there was a roaring. It was the same day that we went to a Shrek raid. People would just stop and loud music. And
Good boy, Stan.
Well, everybody's posting pictures of the fireworks. A lot of them right now. I was about to go Google about them.
Yes.
What? They're closing up the beer.
Come.